Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a good news for all Ghanaians. If you know you want to start to earn money with your smartphone in the year 2025 or 2026, make sure you watch this video to the end. I have a gist for you. Do you know that a Ghanaian guy has created the first affiliate marketing platform in Ghana, first affiliate marketing platform in Ghana? The name of the platform is called Grodital. Grodital. This guy, I've been following him for almost a year. I love his content. I've learned a lot from his content. I go through his TikTok account. I make sure to go to his TikTok account. I make sure to go to his Twitter account. I make sure to check his status to get a lot of information from this guy. And this guy have gotten a lot of awards through affiliate marketing. Is good in sales and marketing. So this guy has decided to create a affiliate marketing platform for Ghanaians so that it will be very easy for them to withdraw their money to that local bank account without any stress. The funniest part of it is that this affiliate platform has been exist for 3 years but was just launched August, and I just got the information last night. I was going through my Twitter accounts and I just something just pump up a screenshot, and I said, what is the name of this platform? I just, okay, let me just go through it, and I saw the name and said, let me just find more details about this platform. And when I go through it, I noticed this platform is the first affiliate marketing platform in Ghana created by a Ghanaian guy. So make sure you watch this video today. And I decided to sign up last night. I signed up last night and I go through the platform, and I said I'm going to talk about it on my YouTube channel today. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you everything you needed to know about the platform. First, I'm going to show you how you can get a product to promote. I'm going to show you how you can copy your affiliate link. I'm going to show you how you can put your account number details there, and I'm going to show you a lot of things. Just watch the video to the end to get the necessary information you needed to know. So the name of the platform is called Grodital. So Grodital, Grodital, Grodital. So converting knowledge and skills into money. Discover how to match your income through affiliate market and data products. So I'm going to tap on it. So this is how they are using laptop. This is how the interface they are using. So this is how the interface is going to look. So this is becoming a vendor, and so can you see? So if you want to get access to this platform, you need to sign up to get the new oil program as a beginner. And also the funniest part of it is that even though you're in Nigeria, you can get access to this platform because it pays in Nigeria too. It pays in dollars. It pays Ghanaian cedis. I think it's cedis Ghanaian use, and also it pays in naira. So you can sign up on this platform to start earning money with just your smartphone. So this is the new oil program. It's packaged by a. So can you see? So that is it. So I'm going to log in into my affiliate platform log account. Okay, I've logged in before, so it does bring it. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to insert my email and my password. But this side the interface is going to look like. So can you see the US dollars, Ghanaian cedis, and Nigeria naira? That's for that. So if you want to get your affiliate link, you're going to tap on these 3 lines at your left hand side. So marketplace, you're going to tap on marketplace. So the new oil program too, if you want to promote any of these products, there's a lot of product coming up again. So this is the new oil program. Is 189 cedis, and in Nigeria is 26,460, 50%. That is 13,000 plus. So let me say 13,000. Let me just say okay, 13,000 times 10 sales, that is 130,000. Can you see? It's very easy for you to earn money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very easy way to earn money. Even though you don't want to do affiliate marketing for a lifetime, you can just start affiliate marketing to sponsor your lifestyle, sponsor your business, sponsor your education. Even though you are a full housewife, you can sign up on this affiliate platform to start earning without leaving your comfort. Even though you're a secondary school student or undergraduate, a graduate or copper, you can sign up, or a 9 to 5 worker, you can sign up on this platform to generate money for yourself. Because let me tell you, no salary work will give you 130,000 in a week or 130,000 in a month, except you are in level 16, I think level 15 or level 16. Do you understand? So this is the best opportunity for you to start earning with your smartphone. And the best part of it that you are going to learn from someone that have failed, that have tried and now successful. You are not going to stress. You only just copy what you are going to learn, implement it, and then you start earning with your smartphone. You don't need to start looking for different ideas, because every idea is idea for you, because this person has tried different methods, I know what works, and I know the ways you can earn money. So it's going to guide you on how you can earn money through affiliate marketing. So for that, so if you want to promote the new oil program TNO, you click on this year promote. Anyone you want to promote, the smart graph design is 10,380,000. Just do the calculation. This is 146% commission. This is 145 CDs, 50% commission. Just do the calculation and see how much you'll be earning earning per sales. And if you are working salary, there's some if you are working like there's some salary that you are going to be earning like 800 per day. Let me say you are having one sales every day, one sales every day through affiliate marketing. You will know how much you'll be earning a month. So that's for that. So can you see 150% commission? This is 312 CDs. That is for Nigeria is 43,000. That is 50% commission. This two is 50% commission. This two is 50% commission and loss. So let me show you how you can copy your affiliate link. Let me show you how you can. Okay, click here to promote. Then you come to this place. You see the new oil. If you want to download the flyer, you just double tap on it and download the image. You tap on download, it's going to download. Then you come to this place, the program that force money into your account. The TN program is complete data training design and so on. So this is 50%. So then you come to this place, you click on copy affiliate link. When you copy your affiliate link, you paste it on your notepad, or you can create a Facebook account where you drop your affiliate link. So then if you want to get course materials to promote it, maybe video, flyers, a lot of stuff, you can tap on this course materials. Then you can view promotion material, join the support group. You can join the support group and a lot of that. That is how you can promote it. So let me go back to that 3 lines. Then let me show you withdraw portal. In this platform, you withdraw every Saturday. The payday is Saturday. The payday is Saturday. If you come to this platform on Friday, you will not be able to withdraw, but on Saturday you withdraw. But some other platform you have to withdraw. Let me say, okay, that payday is Friday, you have to withdraw. On Saturday, you receive your pay. But this one, you make sure that payday, their payday is Saturday. So you are going to withdraw on Saturday, and then you end and you get your money into your account. That's for that. Withdrawals are only available on Saturday. Please return on Saturday to request your withdrawal. So that's for that. And then generally that, but for those that make 6, that make a lot of 6, this is the first 10 people, and this month overall, let me say this month. Okay, so can you see top 10? Can you see the people? So a lot of people have started earning through this affiliate. So overall, top 18, you can be among this top 18. That is for that. Okay, community support group, you can join this channel and lot. This is for that. And join what again? Okay, let's leave that. So let's go to dashboard. So this, your right hand side, where you see the human being icon, the head icon, You want to put your account details, you come to edit profile. So you tap on select bank. There are so many banks here. You just select the markets, any bank you want to make use of, online bank, local bank, anyone you want to make use of. I'm making use of money points. So then you write your account number. It's going to bring the name here, and then you tap on save. That is all about the platform. It's very easy to use. So let me say now, if I have, okay, this is your wallet, total commission, total places. Okay, maybe I have like 100 sales, it's going to write 100, 5 sales, and it's going to write the total commission here, total months commission, and so on and so forth. So that is for that. So let me show you what you're going to get in the new oil program course. So I'm going to, because I've copied the affiliate link, so let me show you. Okay, that is for this. I just want to do the video just once. Okay, the exact straightforward way to earn 5 to 6 per monthly online for 9 expo. It works even if you are a beginner. Okay, stop searching for blog to blog, YouTube channels. I will do it now. Okay, that's it. You don't need laptop, you don't need experience, you don't need to watch 1000. So you will learn, okay, you will learn step by step how the how to begin affiliate marketing and earn from it. Even if you have never done it, you will discover how to make people trust you and want to buy. You will know how to get people from WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and multi. You will know how to use simple words message that make people excited to pay for what you are selling, whether it is one or too many people. You will learn how to convince them. This is testimony. I made $22,000, 27,000 CDs. Now I earn at least 10,000 every month. See testimony. This guy have earned a lot of money here. I never knew there's a legit online business that can change my life until I met ATK Universe, who introduced me to this business. I have been making over 10,000 CDs plus weekly from this business, and just today I made another 14,700 CDs from the online business. Congratulations, bro. This person said, affiliate marketing taught me all these gadgets through your modern strategy. I was able to make money to even buy myself a new phone laptop. Just go through the sales page, get more details and this. Okay, said, okay. The total program. Okay, let me show you what you are going to learn from this. Okay, welcome and introduction. Welcome address, cost structure. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing? Niche selection, high demand. What is branding and what matters? The online workers personality. How to build and deploy your profile links. How to select the right product or position. How to what is lead generation, organic traffic, key principle generating, and lot. What I made my first sales within a week. I had no idea where to start with affiliate marketing until I joined the TN program. The way it was explained made everything so clear. I made my first sales just 6 days after starting. I've tried free YouTube tutorials before, but nothing comes close to how practical and rigid trainings. I finally understand how to attract people, talk to them, and close sales. I used my WhatsApp and I made over 400,000 in 2 weeks. I did not even know I could use WhatsApp to sell. The TM program opened my eyes. Everything was step by step and easy to follow. So that is for that. That is it. So why to join? Self-absolutely. You only need a smartphone, international step one. We support, learn, apply, and affiliate marketing system. So you can, even though you don't want to go into affiliate marketing for a long time, you can just start affiliate marketing to generate a lot of money to sponsor your lifestyle, sponsor your business, sponsor your education, and also support your husband if you're full housewife. If you're a student too, you can, as far as you're using a smartphone, as far as you have an Android phone, as far as you're using a smartphone and a data and you have a data connection, you can start earning money through affiliate market. Even though you're a secondary school student, even though you're 13, 14, 12, you can start earning money, because let me tell you, no work can generate a lot of money for you. No work can give you 40,000 a week or 130,000 in a week or 1,000 in a day. So can you see? The unemployed graduates wake up 5 a.m. to another 3,000 plus alert form. Grodital as a weekly payment after receiving 2080. The best way to get ahead is to develop a valuable skills that people will pay you. Then a high income skill for anyone you trust and thank me later. So can you see this? You learn a lot in this program, and a student making 1,000 weekly. A student, this is a student though. I got myself a new first smartphone ever owned by myself. Thank you, ATK Invest, for your question. With the income I get from affiliate market, I'll be able to invest in my physical marketing business. Can you see? Like what I said, that you can start affiliate marketing and invest in your physical business. So that is for that. And this ATK Invest for the bottom of my heart. Thank you for believing in me, helping me unlock my potential. Your guidance mentorship have been a game changer. I am overjoyed to have achieved my goals, earning not to treat myself to a brand new tablet and $500. You are more than just a mentor. You are a Ghana angel who helped me find my way. Your selfless, patient kindness inspire me every day to be a better version of myself. Keep shining your light and touching heart. You are a blessing. So if you want to get everything for just cheap, for 189 CDs in Nigeria is 26,460. Full course asset, all bonus pack, one-time payment, lifetime update. Very important support. Price will revert to original price after the candle. So make use of this opportunity, because if you don't grab this opportunity and if you come back to this place, the price will go back to 50,000. So make use of this opportunity to start affiliate marketing. Learn from someone that knows the way. Learn from someone. Like I said, that I'll be recommending courses that is created by an expert. Those people that I've known, that have tried, failed, and become successful. This guy have win so many awards through affiliate marketing. Have helped a lot of life in Ghana, in Nigeria, and so many countries. So this is a great opportunity to grab this opportunity. Don't lag behind. So if you want to start affiliate market and get access to 2 TNO program, the new oil program, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and sign up and get started, and then send a message to me to join my personal mentorship group. So make sure you grab this opportunity to earn a lot of money in the year 2025. Make use of your smartphone. Don't allow your smartphone to control you. Why not make that the time and energy you use to check people outcome or people life, make use of it to generate money for yourself. So click the link in the description below to sign up and get started. So this is a great opportunity for you to start now. Start earning now. So like I said, if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description below. Click the link and then sign up and get started, and let's see in the class. So make sure you watch my other video. Make sure you like, make sure you follow, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and make sure you like. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.